Real quick to show you something bizarre that happened while I was editing it. So I use these microphones that are very, very sensitive, and as I'm looking through the B-roll, which are basically clips that aren't the A-roll, I'm picking up language that the birds are speaking to each other, or I think that that's what I'm picking up. Listen to these clips and let me know what you think. Really?
What's all? What's tracking? Exactly right. I don't know. Yeah, that's honestly really was.
Dude.
This was practicing out the prayer, which was I'll be passing. He's all the guys made it. This piece is frankly, we go. We can go back to many people. I'm not done yet. Seconds from this far out. This would be it.
Sure. So as you can hear my voice on the audio. So there's nothing doctored about this audio. That's raw audio of parrots speaking. I don't know, the cadence sounds like they're actually speaking a language.
I'm
going to leave this up to you guys in the comment section below. Did I really capture parrots speaking a language on audio? Comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. Alright, let's get back to the Bird Expo.
Alright, so from Birds in Paradise, you have my
$36,000 roughly.
Her name is Dory.